Have you ever wondered if turning trading into a lucrative career is a realistic goal for you? Can you actually make $10,000 or more per month? Today, we're going to dive deep into this intriguing possibility. Let's start with a reality check though. Reaching a monthly income of $10,000 through trading is definitely not a walk in the park. It demands not just skill and strategy, but also substantial investment of your own money. But what if there's a smarter and quicker way to achieve these goals without risking your life savings? That's where prop firms come into play. Initially, let's talk about trading your own capital. Yes, it is possible to hit that 10K a month, but it does mean putting a significant amount of your own money on the line. High returns often come with high risks, and it is very crucial to understand this trade-off. Let's say you have a consistent strategy that you can make around 5% profit a month with. You would need to have around $200,000 in a trading account in order to achieve that 10K a month. Now, obviously, you don't have to start with $200,000. You could start with $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, or whatever the amount is that you can spare. But then you will have to be willing to play the long game. If you are consistent and patient, you will get to that 10K a month goal. However, there is another path that's less risky, but equally as rewarding. Enter prop firms. These firms offer traders with capital to trade with. It's a game changer because you are now trading with someone else's money, significantly reducing your own personal financial risk. Imagine leveraging their capital to amplify your earnings and transforming your trading journey. But wait, there is a catch. To succeed, whether it's with your money or with the prop firms, you need a few things: education and an understanding of trading and the markets, a solid back-tested strategy that has an edge. Understanding the markets isn't just about reading the charts. It's about comprehending the underlying forces at play. And a properly tested strategy is your roadmap to success. It should be something you've tested over time, proving its effectiveness in different market conditions. With that being said, let's crunch down the numbers a bit here. Let's say you only have $500 to initially invest. Don't go and buy a $100,000 challenge, because this will literally eat your whole $500. And you will essentially only have one shot at passing this challenge, which is definitely going to affect you psychologically and will change how you end up trading. Instead, look at playing the longer game. Start with 10K challenges. You'll probably be able to buy into about 10 of these, which means the stress to pass them is greatly reduced. Now, I know everyone wants to make money fast, but it's these people that just end up losing their money faster. Once you have your 10K account, which might have taken you 1, 2, 3, even 4 attempts, and that doesn't matter because you've given yourself enough to play with. And then once you get to your first withdrawal, you can then use these profits to buy into a bigger challenge. Keep repeating this until you can eventually buy into a 100K or even a 200K challenge. At this point, you have proven to yourself that you can do it consistently, so doing it on a large account is no different. Remember to trade in percentages, not dollar amounts. Now, once you pass one of these bigger accounts and get to that funded account, at this point, if you are making around 5 to 10% a month, you will be looking at your 10K a month. But don't stop there, because you can now potentially feed 50% of that into your personal account and keep on taking more challenges until you max out the prop firm that you're with, which is usually around 400K. Now, 5% a month on a 400K account, and you're talking about around $20,000. At this point, not only do you have your 10K a month, but you will have an extra $5,000 to $8,000 per month to put into your personal account. Keep doing this until your personal account hits around $100,000. And then at this point, you can start trading that with the potential to increase this by 5% or $5,000 per month. At this point, you can look at other avenues to invest your profits in. For example, you can start looking at an EA, like our very own and very successful Titan X. Why not get a successful EA or trading bot to add to your profit pot? Now, you could of course do this all the other way around. If you are not confident enough or not consistent enough at trading manually, you can use an EA such as Titan X to take and pass your prop firm challenges and start generating an income this way while learning to trade and fine-tuning your own strategy. Then when you are eventually ready to trade your strategy, you will have a nice pot to dig into. It doesn't really matter which way you do this. The key here is to diversify and try to keep on reinvesting your earnings and let your profits make more profits. The power of compounding is a beautiful thing. So in conclusion, can you make $10,000 or more a month? Absolutely. But it requires more than just courage to invest. It demands knowledge, a well-crafted strategy, and sometimes a smart use of external capital such as prop firms. It's a journey of continuous learning and strategic planning. But for those who tread carefully and diversify, it's a journey that can be incredibly rewarding. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, remember, in the world of trading, knowledge and strategy are your most valuable assets. Keep learning, keep strategizing, keep backtesting, and keep growing. Please do like the video if you did like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and if I have maybe curbed an interest in using an EA, whether it be to actually pass these prop firms and get some funding, or maybe you're looking for somewhere to reinvest your profits, an EA is a great way to do that. Please look no further than our very own Titan X, an incredible product that has proven itself in the world of trading. It's proven itself to pass these prop firms, get people funded, and get big payouts. If you are interested, please just have a look down in the description where we've got a link straight to our website where you can get all the information on this incredible product. That's all from me, guys. I wish you all the best in your trading journey. See you in the next video.